Chef Justin here with Fresh from Florida, coming to you from my home in the capital city. And today we are working with Florida eggplant. We've got an awesome recipe, Florida eggplant, tomato, and mozzarella melts, and we are gonna show you how. So come on back, let's get started. Would you just look at these gorgeous Florida eggplant? So what we wanna do, first step is to get these cut. So this is a nice big one, so I'm just gonna cut it straight across. Got a serrated knife here. And then I want probably about 1/4 inch slices, because I'm gonna cook these pretty fast. It's preheated, our eggplant, our slice, so I'm just gonna put them on the sheet pan here. Then I'm gonna hit them with just a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. Today I'm using a little bit of my favorite seasoning blend. Gonna give it a great flavor. And we're gonna get these right in the oven. Okay, let's get our beautiful tomatoes sliced. Okay, here's our fresh mozzarella that we're cutting. You can use shredded mozzarella in place. Okay, now it's time to assemble our sandwiches. You can really do this however you like. I'm gonna start with our Florida eggplant on the bottom, and then a couple tomatoes. Let's go ahead and stack on our mozzarella. Wow. And then this goes back in the oven under the broiler because we want it nice and bubbly. Our Florida eggplant, tomato, and mozzarella melts have made it out of the oven, and they look incredible. Bubbly mozzarella cheese, they're ready for their tops. But before we do that, I made a little bit of Florida arugula pesto. And of course, this recipe is on follow, freshfromflorida.com. So go check this out. This is gonna be so good. So we're just gonna put a little of that arugula pesto on, and then a little bit of fresh arugula as well to finish our sandwich. And there you have it, your Florida eggplant, tomato, and mozzarella melt. Remember, Florida eggplant are in season now. They are delicious and nutritious. Go check them out. Make sure when you're shopping you be safe. Look for the Fresh from Florida seal so you know you're supporting our hardworking farmers, fishermen, and ranchers.